Say fish there inside here. Eh? Okay, this is a Oboya fish pond, Oboya by Bonsack fish pond, just in front of Our Lady of Fatima here, Catholic Church. As you can actually see, the situation of this particular area. Yeah, this originally this work was actually a part of the New Map World Bank intervention in Abia State, and which was actually formerly handled by New Map. But this is currently the situation. For years, this place has been this way, as confirmed by the residents of Oboya Road, especially those that are actually residing in front of this Our Lady of Fatima Catholic Church here. So this is it. Here is actually the original, authentic, and the number one fish pond you can actually see in Oboya. So some of the reasons say that the fish they actually catch inside this water are being sold about 15,000-20,000 naira here in Aba. So this is Oboya by Bonsack in front of Our Lady. Situation report 3rd September 2024 here. So this is actually the current situation.